Hello guys, back with me again in a tutorial millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the film grain effect on Picsart. So if you want to add this effect into your photo, just follow the steps that I'm about to tell you. So I've already opened the Picsart app, and then you just need to click the plus icon and choose the photo that you want to edit. For example, I want to choose one of the free photos from Picsart as an example. Okay, I'm going to choose probably this one, this cute little cat here. And then after you import the photo, just click on the effects option and choose the FX here, and then select one of the film filter here, film. Okay, the film. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. You can also adjust the noise, the blur, and also the fade. I'm going to set it like this, and then click on the check icon. And then if at the bottom, scroll to the right and click on mask, and then here choose this, and you can just choose the dust mask that you think will give you the best grain effect that you're looking for. So okay, I'm going to choose this one, and you can also adjust the position. I'm going to choose this one, and you can also adjust the opacity, and when you're done, click on check. Okay, so then this gives you your photo, that grain effect that you're looking for. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can add the grain effect into your photo. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.